We're renovating a Victorian house built in 1900. The kitchen has water-damaged cabinets from the 1960s. We gutted the kitchen down to the wall studs to add new plumbing and electrical systems. The kitchen was cold and drafty in the winter time. We added a new window and spray foam insulation. We added cabinets with easy close drawers, a quartz countertop with blue veins and a black granite sink, a dishwasher, and a tile backsplash. We finished the window casing with tile and finished the corner with satin nickel edging. The kitchen had a neglected but original hardwood floor. After sanding and polishing these hardwood floorboards, they look beautiful. To accommodate an electric range, hood vent, washer, and dryer, we added 220-volt service and wastewater piping. The stainless steel appliances looked great, especially against a black tile backsplash. During demolition, we kept the original hardwood doors intact. One of these hardwood doors opens to an original fold-out ironing board. We outlined the doors with custom trim. We added a refrigerator. Next to it, we added a microwave that opens as a drawer. To see additional renovation videos, please subscribe to our Old House Renovation channel. Thank you.